The latest official renders of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge have surfaced, showcasing a highly anticipated device in three striking colors. As the launch date approaches, excitement continues to build, and these renders provide a closer look at what Samsung has in store. The device is shown in titanium jet black, titanium silver, and titanium icy blue, which align with the color options available for other models in the S25 series. While these are the standard shades, Samsung may also offer additional online exclusive colors through its eShop, giving buyers more choices. The design matches what Samsung previously hinted at during its Unpacked event and Mobile World Congress. The Galaxy S25 Edge follows a sleek and modern design language with a flat Infinity O display, slim bezels, and a flat frame. The back of the device features a camera island that houses two cameras alongside an LED flash. Unlike the other S25 models that come with 3 or more cameras, the S25 Edge keeps things minimal with just 2 lenses. The primary camera is expected to boast an impressive 200 megapixel resolution, while the second camera is likely a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens. This setup may appeal to users who prefer a cleaner look while still benefiting from high-resolution photography. The display is rumored to be a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED panel with a resolution of 2400 x 1080. This should provide sharp visuals with vibrant colors, making it an excellent screen for watching videos, gaming, and general usage. Beneath the screen, Samsung is expected to equip the device with the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, the same powerful chipset found in the rest of the S25 lineup. This processor ensures smooth performance, handling demanding tasks with ease. The battery capacity is reportedly 3,900 mAh, which could raise concerns about battery life, especially given the power requirements of the high-resolution display and chipset. However, Samsung may have optimized the software and efficiency to provide a full day of usage. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Galaxy S25 Edge is its thin profile. While official dimensions have yet to be confirmed, some leaks suggest that the device could measure just 5.8 millimeters in thickness. If true, this would make it one of the slimmest smartphones on the market, offering a premium feel without adding unnecessary bulk. The trade-off for such a slim design may be the absence of a dedicated telephoto camera, as Samsung has seemingly prioritized aesthetics over additional hardware. Instead, computational photography techniques could be used to enhance zoom capabilities without needing extra lenses. Samsung is rumored to launch the Galaxy S25 Edge in April, possibly without a major promotional event. This suggests that the company sees it as a niche offering rather than a mainstream flagship. As for pricing, it is expected to be positioned between the Galaxy S25 Plus and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with estimates ranging between $999 and $1,299. The exact price will determine how well it competes in the market, especially with other premium devices offering more camera features at similar price points. The Galaxy S25 Edge is shaping up to be more impressive than expected, especially when it comes to its display. According to a new leak from Ice Universe on Weibo, the ultra-thin smartphone will feature a 2K resolution screen, likely the same 1440 x 3120 resolution panel used in the Galaxy S25 Plus. This is an interesting revelation because previous rumors suggested Samsung might use a lower resolution Edge HD Plus 1080p display to conserve battery life. Given that the Galaxy S25 Edge is designed to be extremely thin, some concerns remain about battery capacity. A higher resolution display typically consumes more power, so many expected Samsung to opt for a lower resolution to extend battery life. However, if Samsung is confident that the Galaxy S25 Edge can deliver all-day battery life, even with a 1440p screen, that's a great sign for potential buyers. That said, some smartphone users argue that the difference between QHD, 1440p, and HD Plus 1080p is barely noticeable in daily use. For those who prioritize battery life over resolution, this might not be a major concern. Still, having a high-resolution panel on a thin device is a welcome surprise as it ensures that users will get a premium visual experience. The latest leak also reveals that the Galaxy S25 Edge will feature a titanium alloy midframe, similar to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This should give the phone a premium feel while keeping it lightweight and durable. In addition, previous leaks have suggested that the phone will come in titanium icy blue, titanium silver, and titanium jet black. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Edge will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, the same chipset used across the entire Galaxy S25 lineup. It will also include 12 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and fast performance. The 6.7-inch AMOLED display will support a 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and animations feel extra smooth. One of the most notable aspects of the Galaxy S25 Edge is its camera setup. Despite being incredibly thin, the phone is expected to feature the same 200-megapixel main sensor found in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This should allow for excellent image quality, even if the rest of the camera system isn't as advanced as the Ultra model. To maintain its slim design, Samsung has reportedly decided to remove the dedicated telephoto camera from the Galaxy S25 Edge. Instead, the phone will rely on computational photography to enhance zoomed-in shots. While a physical telephoto or periscope lens would have delivered better optical zoom, these components tend to add bulk, making them unsuitable for an ultra-thin device. Samsung's software-based zoom enhancements have improved significantly over the years, so this trade-off might not be a deal-breaker for most users. The Galaxy S25 Edge will also come with an IP68 rating, meaning it will be resistant to dust and water. This is an important feature, especially for those who want a stylish, slim phone that doesn't sacrifice durability. The Pixel 9a was supposed to be available for pre-order by now, but an unexpected issue has pushed back its release. Google introduced the phone on March 19th, and under normal conditions, pre-orders would have started the same day. However, the company has delayed the launch to April, stating that a component quality issue has affected a small number of units. While Google hasn't officially revealed the exact problem, new leaks suggest that overheating could be the reason for the delay. A well-known leaker, TechOnTG, shared on X that a major smartphone was suddenly pulled from reviewers due to heating concerns, especially around the camera. Though the post didn't mention the phone by name, it was a clear reference to the Pixel 9a. The leaker even hinted at this by saying, "Don't Google it," subtly pointing toward Google's involvement. The leak also suggests that Google is currently working on a software update to resolve the overheating issue before officially releasing the phone in April. Interestingly, despite the delay, the Pixel 9a has already been mistakenly sold in some regions, including Dubai, before its official release. This allowed YouTuber Sahil Kurl to get his hands on the device early. During his testing, he ran a benchmark that showed the phone throttling to 61% of its peak performance, which could indicate overheating problems. If this is accurate, it would make sense for Google to take extra time to fix the issue before launching the device globally. Even with this setback, the Pixel 9 remains one of the most anticipated mid-range smartphones. It keeps the same $499 starting price as its predecessor, but comes with several upgrades. One of the most noticeable improvements is the larger 6.3-inch OLED display, which offers a resolution of 1080 x 2424 pixels and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. These enhancements should make scrolling animations feel more fluid while providing a better overall viewing experience. The phone is powered by Google's 4nm Tensor G4 chipset, paired with 8GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 128GB of UFS 3.1 storage. This combination is expected to deliver solid performance for daily tasks, gaming, and multitasking. However, concerns about overheating will need to be addressed before its performance can be fully evaluated. For photography, the Pixel 9 comes with a 48-megapixel main camera and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Google's Pixel lineup has always been known for its exceptional computational photography, and this device is expected to continue that tradition with features like night sight, super res zoom, and HDR processing. On the front, there's a 13-megapixel selfie camera for clear video calls and selfies. One of the most significant improvements in this model is its battery. The Pixel 9 packs a 5100 mAh battery, which is expected to provide all-day battery life. If Google optimizes the software well, this could be one of the best battery performances in the Pixel A series lineup. However, if overheating remains a problem, battery efficiency could be affected, leading to potential concerns about long-term usability. Although the delay may be frustrating for eager buyers, it could be beneficial in the long run if it allows Google to fix any hardware or software issues before launch.